For problem number 86, we're supposed to come up with an exponential function whose graph is given, and I just drew the graph that we see here on page 284. But if we have to come up with an exponential function, then basically we have y equals some a times b to the x. So we don't know what the constant is out front. We also don't know what the base of the function is, but we do know that we have a y and an x in there. And if we think about it, we have this point 0, 1. Well, let's go ahead and plug in 0 for x and 1 for y. If we do that, then we replace y with 1. We don't know what the a is, we don't know what the b is, but we know that x is 0. So when x is 0, y is 1. Well, we also should remember that any constant to the 0 power, that's also just 1. So if we want to figure out the a, we can do that clearly by putting in 0 for x and 1 for y, and we get a is 1. So now we have a step closer to figuring out, well, what's the base? And we don't even need to put the 1 there. We can just leave it like that, y equals b to the x. Well, let's put in another value here. Let's put in 5 for y and 1 for x. So if we put in 1 for x, we get b to the first power equals 5. So therefore b is 5. So therefore, if b is 5 and y equals b to the x, then this graph is of the equation y equals 5 to the x. We were already told that it's exponential. So once you're told it's exponential, then that would be the start here, and start there, and then find a first, find a, and then find b, then find b. So basically, you're starting with the basic form of an exponential equation, and then using the point 0, 1 to find your a, and then you're using the point 1, 5 to find your b. That's it.